Hello. So today I'm going to be talking about different kinds of electronic media that I use in my classroom. I'm going to talk about two. One is very common that a lot of us probably use in our classrooms, and another one is a bit more complex, and I'm going to spend a little bit more time on that. The first one, straightforward, is PowerPoint. But I want to talk about this is just the school year has not developed that much this year, so this is just something I did on the first day of school. But something important to know about PowerPoint is it's not just good for visualizing for all students, but it's really good for ENL students or students that may struggle with language. Good to have a visual representation of other languages and other entities to help students learn the best. With PowerPoint, you can have directions or you can have visual representations of what you're doing so that even if a student can't read all the language on the document, they can still have a better idea of what's going on and you can address them through differentiation and modifications. The general understanding of what the whole class is doing can be shared out in the PowerPoint. We're all pretty familiar with PowerPoint. I want to talk about something more complex that I did in my class last year, and that's referencing Henry Jenkins' TED Talk about uh, support participatory culture. I'm going to show a program on my computer called Ableton. So currently this cannot record audio, but right now we have a song that my class made last year, my advisory class, which was about four seniors. And this whole school initiative had a thing where they did um, a Black History Month creative project. And so I have a strong interest in music, and a lot of my students have a strong interest in music. I've been playing drums for about 15 years. I've been making electronic music, playing synthesizers, things like that for about 5 years. So this program is called Ableton. It's very similar to programs like GarageBand. But the thing is, this is a little bit more complicated than those. So what I did for part of the class is I taught them how to make song in this program, and then I brought in some physical materials like a MIDI controller, so you would punch in the keyboard notes with this item. I also brought a bigger hardware synthesizer, and I taught them how to make music, how to make music in the program, and then for the project they wrote the lyrics and then performed it in front of the class. Not only did they write the song, but they write the lyrics, but they made the song and they could see, like for example, one synthesizer part would be written performed by one student and one synthesizer part would be performed by another. So I think it's really important, and they could record it, and then I could get a digital copy or an MP3, and then they could post it wherever if they wanted to post it on SoundCloud or YouTube or whatever they wanted to do. Um, this promotes participatory culture, and as Henry Jenkins also states, you can make it inherently political. The song was about racial and ethnic inclusivity in relation to Black History Month, but you could make it about anything. You could make it a song about current events. You could make it a song about what's going on, and I think a lot of students were really excited. And there are free programs that you can use in your class on somebody's phone, like GarageBand or Beatwave or other things that you can use in your class. All right, thank you.